Some people choose to see the ugliness in this world, the disarray. I choose to see the beauty. I'm not a host pretending to be a human. I'm a human pretending to be a host. To find the roots of the quadratic equation x squared, 5x plus 6 equals 0, you can use the factored form or the quadratic formula. The factored form is x, 2x, 3 equals 0. So the roots are x equals 2 and x equals 3. Welcome to Westworld, esteemed guest.
Hello.
Some people choose to see the ugliness in this world, the disarray. I choose to see the beauty. I'm not a host pretending to be a human. I'm a human pretending to be a host.
Oh yeah, that's really, really nice.
If you can't tell, does it matter?
Nope.
Got it. If you ever have any questions, feel free to ask.
I'm going to show you the other one, the math tutoring. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on the intro to algebra, and let's start this one.
Linear equations. Can you solve for x in the equation 3x plus 7 equals 16? Explain your steps.
Until we answer.
Sure. The solution to the equation 3x plus 7 equals 16 is x equals 3. Just subtract 7 from both sides and then divide by 3. Quadratic equations. How would you find the roots of the quadratic equation x squared? 5x plus 6 equals 0. Could you demonstrate it?
Can you show me how to do that this way?
To find the roots of the quadratic equation x squared, 5x plus 6 equals 0, you can use the factored form or the quadratic formula. The factored form is x, 2x, 3 equals 0. So the roots are x equals 2 and x equals 3. Alternatively, you can use the quadratic formula, which is x equals dash b plus or minus b squared, 4 acres, 2a, where a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 6. Plugging these values into the formula will give you the roots of the quadratic equation.
And there you have it.